If your Thrustmaster T80 pedals aren't working, here's a simple way to fix it. Start by checking the red power light on the wheel after you plug it into your console or PC. If the light doesn't turn on, the wheel may not be getting power. Try switching to another USB port, preferably one directly on the console or computer. Also inspect the USB cable and pedal cable to make sure there are no bends, cuts, or loose connections. Next, remember that the T80 has two modes, gamepad mode and racing wheel mode. Your pedals may not respond at all if the wheel is in the wrong mode for your system or the game you're using. To switch modes correctly, unplug the wheel from the console. Press and hold the PlayStation button on the wheel, then plug the USB cable back in while still holding that button. When it powers up, release the button for a moment, then press and hold it again to sign into your profile. When the LED shows if the wheel is in the correct mode, you can let go. After that, make sure the pedal cable is fully pushed into the back of the wheel base. A loose pedal connector is one of the most common reasons the pedals stop responding. You can also gently unplug and replug the pedal cable to refresh the connection. If you're using the wheel on a PC, open your game controller settings and run a calibration test to confirm whether the pedals are detected. If they don't move during calibration, reinstalling the Thrustmaster drivers or restarting your PC can help reset the wheel. Once all the connections and modes are set correctly, your pedals should start working again.